Hey there, Chase Diamond here. If you're like me and you love food, then listen up. There's a brand called Community. They've raised $70 million, and they're a meal subscription and delivery service that connects private chefs and local chefs with folks like me and you. And what I love most, other than their food of course, is the fact that they're environmentally friendly. So I want to talk about what we actually did to increase their performance in terms of engagement and revenue. So inherently with a subscription business like theirs, there's going to be churn. And oftentimes to try to win folks back, you give a really heavy incentive on that next purchase. And while that's good, and that can work in some cases, we got really creative here with our offer and our testing. Essentially what we did is instead of doing the upfront large amount, we spread out that amount over 4 consecutive weeks. So say the amount up front was $160 off, what we would do instead of doing $160 off purchase 1, we do $40 off the next 4 purchases. So essentially what we did here is we played into the psychology of habits. So by allowing people to use a discount that they didn't have before, that allowed them to try it again and really build that habit of great food and a company that really cares about eco-friendly and responsibility. And ultimately this is going to allow people to eat healthier, save time, and this allowed the company to make more money through these marketing efforts that we did on the email marketing side of things.